Buongiorno and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a lip gloss haul and try on. I picked up the new Pat McGrath Trio in Skin Shoku. I don't know, Skin Shoku. Like, I don't know why some days I can't speak or read apparently. I don't know what's going on. And then I also picked up two of Kylie's Cosmetics high glosses. This is the first time I've tried her high gloss formula. So we're gonna try on some lippies, give you my thoughts. The trio was $24 and these are $18 a piece. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Please don't forget to subscribe before we get started. I really appreciate each and every one of you people. And let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can never fault Pat McGrath like packaging. I feel like that's like half the appeal. So I decided to get this because it comes with 3 and it was 25 bucks. Which is not bad considering a full size of hers. Okay, I love the packaging, but then like these little sequin things, they get everywhere. And I know I'm gonna step on them and they're gonna be stuck to my feet, but it's okay. First world problems. So it comes with 3 minis. They are pretty small, I'm not gonna lie. But you get this for $24, where if you get a normal size from her, it is $28. And to be honest, I never go through a lip gloss or generally liquid lipstick altogether, so I'm okay with this. I'm excited about this, and I decided to get these ones. These are more my type of, like, nudes and pink glosses are usually my favorite, whereas like I don't love colored glosses like reds and stuff like that. They just aren't my thing. So I already know I love the formula of this, but let's go put them on. And they do have that little Pat McGrath like little design here, which I love. All right, we are gonna start with Divine Rose first. These are so nice and hydrating. Like, I really want to get more. It's just the cost wise, I'm always just like, meh. So I just pick up one on like the Sephora VIB sale, but this is Divine Rose. It's just a really pretty pink tint, and I don't mind it by itself. Usually I like pinks with a lip liner, but I still really like this. Like, it's a really nice, like, neutrally type color. If you wanted to just add mascara and like this color on, you'd be good to go. Next we have Dare to Bear. I think this is probably gonna be my favorite color in this little trio. It's like that little slight tint to it, but like not an actual color, and I tend to like these a lot. I'm either like a very nice and clear, or like with a little tint to it, or like completely opaque. I don't know. I like all glosses, to be honest, but yeah, they feel nice, they're not sticky, and these stay on a pretty long time. Like, this is why I love her formula, but I love the shine. Like, So this is Dare to Bear. Definitely, like, probably gonna be my favorite. Okay, so next we have Pale Fire Nectar, which is one I also wanted to get in a full size, but I couldn't tell if it was like more peachy or pink. Like, it definitely looks more pink in here than peachy, and very glittery. Yeah, very glittery. I think it annoys people when I don't put gloss on the top and I just rub my lips together, but it's just a habit. I don't know, I don't feel like I need to do that. But yeah, one dip coats your lips totally fine. I like this one. It's not my favorite. It's a little bit more vibrant, so if you like, it's good like summer color, like out on the beach type thing that I rarely go to. But it is a really pretty color. It's just not really like I'll definitely wear it, but it's a little bit too neon pinky side for me. So some people are gonna love that. It's just not my favorite. So I've been trying to film all day, but like the lawnmower was going, and then like, oh, it's just, there's so many noises. We live on a corner street, a corner house, and even though I love our house, I really wish we didn't pick this one. Anyways, I got 2 high glosses from Kylie. I got the Partner in Crime and Diva, which these are supposed to be pretty opaque. So I'm excited to try these out. Let's start off with Partner in Crime first. These are a lot bigger than her usual ones. Her usual is like a thinner, longer tube. So I'm interested to see. Whoa. Okay, so the applicator is big. You do kind of get like a big glob on top coming out, which it's fine. I just hope it's like, you know, no one wants to waste product. Again, I will do it. Okay. So this is Partner in Crime. It feels really good. like really nice. So I like that. It's a good nude, you know what I mean? Like it's not too pink, it's not too neutral, it still makes my lips pop. Like I really like this gloss. It's nice, it's juicy. Like that's what I'm trying to say. My lips look juicy. Last one I chose is Diva, which is a very pink gloss. I know we have a theme going on here. I don't know what to tell you. The same type of thing. You guys can kind of see it does come out with a lot. Okay, I like this color. I'm good. Especially with a lip liner. Yes. Let's see how. I need to like look closer. So definitely very opaque compared to the Pat McGrath ones, where like those would be more of something I'd wear over a lipstick, unless I'm going for a gloss day. But generally I like to wear at least a lip liner, whereas this, I feel like it just looks pretty on its own and is still fairly opaque. And just, these are nice. Like I would say if you have her old Kylie like lip gloss formula, like these are completely different. Like it's a lot juicier like of a look, like a lot more wet looking. But it doesn't, like the formula doesn't feel sticky or anything like that. Whereas like her other one are kind of, I wouldn't say they're sticky. I still like it, but definitely not as much as this. And they have that little lip paint brush. And so I'm really happy that this has an actual applicator, a giant applicator, but I still like it. All right guys, that is it for this little lip haul. I just wanted to jump on here real quick and play with these before I couldn't handle it anymore. I really liked everything I got. I would say, even if I might only wear 2 out of the 3 out of the little Pat McGrath kit, I still think it's worth it price-wise. Like, because the full one is $28, so this is a great way to just try something out. That earring has come out like 8 times since I started this video, and I'm really wanting to like throw it across the room. But I won't do that because I really love these earrings. But anyways, I think it's a great way to try it out rather than paying $28 for one. You can check if you like the formula. There's also another kit with darker colors if you are more into that. So these I think are highly worth it. The Kylie ones, like I said, like Kylie's lip products I'm generally pretty happy with. Like I know a lot of people like have some gripe and blah 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 about her, but I really like most of her lip products. So I am, along with this, completely happy about it. I have nothing bad to say. I will use both the colors I got. I also wanted Snatch. That was another one I wanted, but I was like, control yourself. Two for now is good. But yeah, let me know which color was your favorite. If you guys have picked any of these up, what your thoughts are, any colors you suggest. And I also want you to name your favorite lip gloss down below, because I would like to know that. And that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little quick video. I will see you in the next. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And that's it.